everyone, this is Shammy. Welcome to my channel, and we are doing a travel video or a packing video series. Today we're discussing what I have in my cosmetic bag. So I am a person, I normally travel on carry-on only, and I do have liquid limitations sometimes. So depending on what country I'm traveling to, I may have that liquid limitation. I live in Bangladesh. I do not have any liquid limitation from my country, but whatever country you are traveling to, you may have a liquid limitation. So today we are discussing what you should have or what I have in my cosmetic bag if I have a liquid limitation. Without further ado, let's dive in. First thing first is my bag. My bag is a square bag and it has a diagonal chain. So it can open like this and voila. It sits on your countertop and you will be able to see everything that you have in the bag. When I have a liquid limitation, so this is the bag that I have my liquid. I do not have any separate bag for my liquids because I normally don't travel to destinations where I may have liquid limitation, so it's like rarely comes. So I did not invest in a liquid bag. So I have invested in my proper bag. So in my liquid bag, what do I have? I have a moisturizer. This is for my face. I have my pimple care. I do have severe pimples when I travel, so I have to have pimple care at all times. This is another pimple care. This is for night, and this sebo gel is for daytime. I have a peeling gel, and this is a gel that you can have on your dry skin, and you can rub against your skin, and you can have a fresh skin in just minutes. I have toothpaste. I have Sensodyne Rapid Relief. I do have some teeth issues and my doctor has prescribed me to use toothpaste, so I use it and it's very helpful for my teeth. This is a mosquito repellent. This is for fabric. This is not for your skin. So this is kind of a roll-on and you use it on your fabric. So whichever part is open, like for instance your hand is open, so you can use this roll-on on your hand collar and on here, on your foot, on your bottom, and mosquito will not come near you from any given point. I have a mini perfume. This is also a roll-on. This is I can use on my skin or in my clothes, doesn't matter. This is a very mild perfume and it smells very good. This is one of my favorites, so I carry it all the time. I have a lip mask. This is a very hydrating mask. If I use it before I go sleep, I have a very soft lip in the morning. So it actually is a mask. It's not a lip balm or anything like that. So you use it for a long period of time. If I use it in the morning, I can have pretty much a soft lip throughout the day. And this is my eye drop. I have very dry eyes and I need it at all times. So this is something that I cannot sacrifice or I cannot compromise from any given point. So these are all my liquid items. Rest of the stuffs are solid or dry items. Let's look into that. I have a box and here I have a shampoo and conditioner bar. This is all-in-one. This is for your hair, for your body, for your face. You can use it pretty much everywhere. I sometimes use it on my face, not all the time. For my face, I have some dry face wash. This is something dry powder and I just need some water to make it a paste and I use it on my face. This is a deodorant. This is also solid. I can use it after my shower and I stay fresh for a long period of time. I have a sun stick. Instead of my sunblock cream, I use this stick and it can just use on your skin whatever time, and in case I need some more sunblock and I can buy in my destination. I have a talcum powder. This is also for my dry skin. I have a combination skin on my face, so it generates oil sometimes, so I use talcum powder for my face to stay fresh. I have my toothbrush in a box. This is a bamboo toothbrush. I really love this. And I have a foot filer. This is for my foot. I like to keep my feet clean and I carry it pretty much in all my travel. I have some cotton buds and my toothpicks. I want to clean my hair pretty much every single day, so I use this after every shower. I have some cotton pads, but I don't have anything to use it. But if I am in a destination and I want to clean my face or my skin very thoroughly, I can always go ahead and buy some coconut oil or some lotion to clean with these pads, because the pads comes with a big bag, big box, so I don't want to carry so many, so I carry a small amount in my bag. I have a nail cutter. This is also needed. My nail grows very fast and I need nail cutters pretty much every week. I have a dental floss. I need it all the time. I have very complicated tooth and I need dental floss every single day, no matter where I am living. I have a nail filer because my nail grows very fast, so I need to file it almost every 2 days. I have some sheet mask. So I have never had any issue in a liquid limitation travel in my TSA or in my in my TSA. So they never said anything, but although it has some kind of liquid inside, but just in case I have some problem in some airport, I have some dry sheet mask, so I can soak this compressed sheet mask into some orange juice or coconut water or any kind of juice, and I can use it on my face as a mask. I have some hair ties. When you have hair, you need hair ties. I have some shower cap. I use my shower cap for my shoes, so if I take a shower in the morning and need to move to a different city and my slipper is wet, I put my slipper into one of the shower caps and I carry it in my bag. And I have a hair comb in my bag. So when you have a hair, you have to have a comb to look beautiful, and it's very small. It fits in my palm. I have a tongue cleaner in my bag, so this is, I keep it in this middle pocket so it doesn't mix with any other thing, because it does not have any packet, so it stays fresh. Also, before I use it, I wash it thoroughly. So these are the items that I carry in my cosmetic bag when I have liquid limitation. If you're traveling with a check bag, you may have as many items as you want because you don't have any limitation. But I am a person that I like to travel carry on only with a smaller bag, because that gives me the freedom that I want when I travel. Thank you for watching our video. See you soon.